Now, the Ethics Committee had its own probe starting in 2021 into the congressman, but then put that on pause to yield to the federal investigation. But after the federal investigation wrapped up last year, this was all revived. But this revival has not been without serious political consequence. Gaetz privately blamed former House Speaker Kevin McCarthy for reviving the ethics probe, and the former speaker has also blamed Gaetz's frustration about the ethics probe for, Gaetz's work to try to push McCarthy out of his position. But we see even in a post-Speaker McCarthy world, the ethics probe not only continues but appears to be ramping up.
That is what? Republican and Republican crime, but they are trying to investigate him. Let's see what my guy Brian Taylor Cohen says.